Hey guys, to dealers are how to remove suggested accounts on Messenger. So if you guys want to go ahead and remove these suggested accounts that you keep on seeing popping up on your Messenger applications, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys how to remove this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. So this is going to be pretty easy, guys. What we actually need to do first, in order for us to accomplish this, is to proceed with launching the Messenger applications. And once we are already here, what we can actually do next is to delete the uploaded context option. Now, you are gonna have this option, depending on your device. All we need to do to access this is to hop on over to our settings gearbox, and then scroll down until you see the option to access your phone contacts. Now once you tap on this phone contacts setting, you will have the option to turn off the upload contacts option, and also to delete all of the contacts. Once you tap on the manage contacts option, we actually have one more option, and that is basically to turn off directly the upload contacts option in order for us to not receive any of those suggested people on Messenger. Now, as you would notice, I can't really show you that option through my device and my account on Messenger, since I don't really have that option turned on. Option for us to turn that off is only available for those users who have this issue running and who have their upload contacts on their phone contacts setting turned on. Now that is all you guys need to know about this specific issue. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.